In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export trade history in cTrader. By the end, you'll have a clean Excel file of your past trades that's easy to review, analyze, or share with your accountant or team. Start by opening cTrader on your device. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Either works the same for this task. Make sure you're connected and looking at the trading account whose history you want to export. The export will reflect the account and data you're currently viewing, so a quick glance at the account selector at the top can save you from exporting the wrong set of trades. Next, move your eyes to the bottom of the platform and locate the Trade Watch panel. This area is the hub for positions, orders, deals, and history. If the panel looks minimized, hover near the bottom edge or drag it up so it's fully visible. Inside that panel, click the History tab. This view shows your closed positions and other historical activity organized by time. What you see here is what will be included in the export, including instruments, volumes, open and close times, and realized profit or loss. Now focus on the controls within the History view. Look for the Statement button, typically located toward the upper right area of the History section. Click the small drop-down arrow attached to the Statement button to reveal export options, and choose Export to XLSX. XLSX is the standard Excel workbook format, which opens seamlessly in Excel and most spreadsheet apps. It's a great choice if you want to sort, filter, or build summaries and charts from your trading data. After you've selected the XLSX format, click the Statement button to export. At this point, cTrader will generate your file. Depending on your settings, it may save automatically to your default Downloads folder, or it may prompt you to pick a save location and file name. If you're exporting a large history, give it a moment to process. Bigger data sets can take a little longer to compile. That's it. Your trade history is now exported to an Excel-friendly file. Open it to verify the contents, then use spreadsheet tools to group trades by symbol, calculate performance metrics, or prepare reports. For easier organization later, consider naming the file with the account identifier and a clear date range. Keep your exported files in a secure folder, especially if they include sensitive financial details. And if your spreadsheet opens in protected view, enable editing to work with formulas and formatting. You've just learned the simplest, most reliable way to export your trade history in cTrader. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.